Okay, I'm going to show how IRONCAD can handle mechanism and hydraulic cylinders and so on. So you can simulate the real functionality. And I have a hydraulic cylinder which I've added to shafts in the end, and I have also set conditions between the cylinders and the different parts. I click on the bucket and I choose to activate the mechanism mode, and then I can drag and see what's happening with the assembly I have here. So you can see it's working properly. I can also edit the values for different size. I want to check if it's working, and it does. So I can also see another movement. If I click on that assembly and it's moving with a certain angle, I can edit the value for the angle as well. So we can see mechanism in IRONCAD when we want to. And we can also see if I want to look closer on an attachment to the hydraulic cylinder. Maybe we want to modify this attachment, the bracket for the shaft and so on. It's very easy done in IRONCAD. I can box select the area I want to modify, and then I activate the Triball, and then I move in the 2D plane or the horizontal or whatever I want to move. You can see I modify the plates and the shaft's position and the hydraulic cylinder end position directly, totally free, and everything is updating automatically. So it's very flexible to work with IRONCAD in this way, and you can also move the horizontally and vertically, and you can add, of course, the exact values as you want to. You can right-click on the handle in Triball and choose distance from point, any point in the file. You can relate to whatever you want to. In this case, I choose the plate, the bottom corner, and I add an exact value. And I change the value in the other direction from the same point using Triball. Everything is updating. Okay, so it's very easy to move the whole area. The whole bracket is modifying, and you can also check the actual part. I choose to click on the part level, and I can create a drawing from that single plate, that single part. Despite it's not in an external file, it's only inside here. I can create an assembly drawing with bill of material. I have also a drawing of that specific plate, the specific part, and I can update this drawing so you can see the values following the modifications I did do in the assembly. Of course, I can export it as a DXF directly from the 3D environment if I want to. This cylinder is inside this assembly file. I can save it as a separate file if I want to, when I want to, if I want to. I can work with separate files, sub-assemblies, sub-parts, and so on. I can see the search path given here. I can also see the cylinder has an icon next to it telling me it is a separate part file. I can choose to open a file hitting the O on the keyboard. So now I can see I have one separate assembly externally linked. And what effect is it now on the mechanism mode? I have changed to an external linked file. It still works, no problem. You can have everything in one file in IRONCAD, or you can have it externalized to separate sub-assemblies if you want to. It's up to you. You are not forced to work as the program wants you to work. So this saves a lot of time and money, and you can easily try this from solidmakarna.se, and you can download a trial. Okay?